Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to trim a video in native iOS application with Swift. So first I'll show you guys the output. I have two buttons, pick video and save button. So pick video will obviously show the photo pickers to the user. It also asks for permission. I have already given the permission, so I'll just select this video. Okay, wait, before that let me check what I am from where to where I am actually trimming the video, because I forgot. Sorry about that. Because I have hard coded the values, I'm not really asking it for the user. Okay, start time and end time I have given. So okay, so I'm like cropping it from 10 seconds and the end time is 20 seconds. But if you see, this video is only 15 seconds long. So let's see what it does. So I think I should get only 5 seconds long video. So okay, here you can see I only get 5 second long video. But I think, yeah, 5 second long video. All right, now I will select one bigger video. So this is almost like 10 minutes video, 10-minute long video, but I think it should. Okay, so it has already done. So as you can see, it is able to pick only 10 seconds. Now if I want to save the video, I'll just click on the save button. Okay, and if I go back to my photos app, here you can see the 10-second long video has been saved. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how to do this. So first you will have to go to info.plist. You will have to go to, I have already made a video on trimming a video, how to trim a video in nodejs, but in that video I was using a third-party library. Here I am not using it, so that's the advantage. So here firstly you will have to add this privacy photo library usage description permission. Next you will have to go to your view controller, and here you will have to import UIKit, Photos UI as well as AVKit. Then here you have to create your AV player view controller. We create a final URL as well. Then we create a UI button for pick video, and another UI button for saving the video. Then once save video is pressed, we just get the final URL. So inside the final URL we are actually storing the video in a temporary location after trimming it. So once we have that final URL, we just check for photo library permission. If that is already given, then we can just do this, like create request for asset from video, pass our final URL, and it will automatically save our video to the Photos app. For picking video, again I am asking for permission, if by using this request authorization which I have defined over here. So if the permission is given, then we just call pick video, otherwise we just display a print message. Now for pick video, once pick video is called, we just set our PH picker configuration limit. Selection limit is 1, filter by videos, and then we display a PH picker view controller delegate. So once you display this, the call goes over here. Okay, PH view controller delegate. And for inside this function I have created one completion handler which takes a URL and error. Now once you pick a video, you have to save it to some temporary location. You can't directly use it. So for that I have written this bunch of code, like I have copied this code from some place, so I won't be able to explain it to you much, but you can just copy paste it. I will slowly scroll through this. So here you can see I'm storing it in a temporary location, and in case if there is any error, I am returning nil in URL and error in place of error. But if it is success, then I am sending destination URL and error would be nil. Okay, and here also I have created another extension function for our permissions, photo library permission. Okay, so you can just copy paste all this code, but once we get this proper URL, the callback comes over here, handle video pick result. Okay, so once we get this proper URL, then I'm using this task because the stream video is wrapped inside async await. So we pass actually the URL. So if you see over here, once we get the URL, I'm calling handle video pick result. Okay, and if the URL is proper, then we call this. Otherwise, in a case of error, we just print it. Okay, and then I call the trim video function which I have created. So here I have hard coded 10 seconds as the starting time and ending time as 20 seconds, but you can actually create a user input or create a slider on top of your video on how much you want, how much, like you can ask the user on how much he or she wants the video to be trimmed. Then once we get the trimmed video, we just create an AV player. We assign it to our player view controller and present that player view controller and start playing the video. Now the important part of trimming the video, so here we create a file manager, then we create a AV URL asset as well as AV mutable compensation. Then we add our video track to our composition, and also the audio, and then we load the asset video track as well as asset video track audio track using the load tracks method with media type of video as well as audio. Then we get the accumulated time, and here we just do a cm time subtract from the end time and passing the end time as well as the start time. Then we do time range for current slice, so we just pass cm time range make. Then we insert time range inside our composition track for audio as well as for our video. Then we get the accumulated time by using the cm time add. Then we create an export path. Here you can name whatever you feel like, and then we create a URL out of it. If the file already exists, we just remove it. Then we create an AV asset export session, pass our composition, and then we create an assign our output URL, export URL as an output URL as well as output file type is MP4. And I have just done should optimize for network use set to true. Then we are just exporting it, and then we are getting our output URL. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.